Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing a backtap tool that exposes an accessibility action for screenshots. Once installed, open the app and follow its onboarding to request accessibility and display over other apps' permissions. You must allow both. Next, in Settings right arrow Accessibility, confirm the app service is turned on so it can monitor taps on the rear. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for that app, because aggressive power saving will stop the background listener from working reliably. With the service active, choose whether you want a double tap or triple tap to trigger a screenshot. Tap the action slot and select the built-in screenshot command, or create a custom shortcut if offered. Then fine-tune sensitivity and debounce delay so normal pocket or walking motions don't fire it. Also add app exclusions for camera or banking apps to avoid accidental captures. Once done, test with short, deliberate taps while holding the phone naturally to confirm the right cadence. Now perform multiple full tests. Capture screenshots in portrait and landscape grips, checking the gallery for results. If it works inconsistently, tweak sensitivity or change from double to triple taps to reduce false positives. Make sure the app isn't restricted by battery optimization or protected background permissions. Re-enable them if an update resets settings. If problems persist, force stop and reopen the accessibility service, then reinstall the app as a last resort. A common fix: disable aggressive power saving. That resolves most disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.